It's all the same shit every day. I wake up every day and it's very repetitive. You know, deja vu? I had that shit every day. About to get this entry on third. First trade, let's see what we can do. TP1, this shit's stupid. Oh my God, yeah. Now, hopefully, let me hit TP2 with 80 people. Look at that, 80 people. My boy over here chilling. I wouldn't even peep. My boy in Longs. How did I get to this position of being able to even make $2,000 in a day trading? And this is the trade idea that I'm gonna be going over with you guys. Keep it simple. What makes me the best version of myself? What makes me feel the most productive? Doing things such as this. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. It is Monday. You know what Monday is. Monday is the first day of the week. First day that we can actually get some trades in. That doesn't mean we're gonna make money. That doesn't mean it's gonna be a successful day. But the only thing I can control, managing risk and following my rules. That's all I could do every single day. It's all the same shit every day. I wake up every day and it's very repetitive. You know, deja vu? I had that shit every day because I do the same exact shit on repeat every single day. So with that being said, we're about to get active with the VIP call, about to get that all started, and we're gonna see what we can do today. But like I said, it is Monday. We have CPI on Wednesday. So it could be choppy, it could be slow until then, but we won't know until we show up and get some experience. So with that being said, let's get some action. Let's get on the charts. Let's see what today brings us. But mainly this area right here, because this is a 4-hour gap, a daily gap, and it's just a lot of stuff right here. Let's pull a fib, so if you'll line up with this too, this is all in there. Continuation level. And then we'll see. He set bell slots. Let's see what price do. That'll be 930. I'm just about to get this entry on 30. This entry, I ain't gonna lie, I just got this crazy. This shit's moving fast right now though. I'm not gonna get no expectations because like I said, this shit is going up and down like 50, 60 points. So we're gonna see, but this is my entry right here. I got a 50-point stop loss at the daily gap. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. First trade. First trade, let's see what we can do. Nah, yeah, that's what I be saying. Get them TPs, man. I just need a 1 to 2. Fuck a big TP. This is 1 to 2. That's all I'm looking for. But I ain't even hit TP1 yet. This shit is up and down, but it looks good. Oh, now we about to hit TP1 in like 3 seconds. I hope. Yeah, there we go. I'm on 30. You know, man. For the most part, I start off on 30. Let's see. It's a very tricky day so far. You have volume, but it's up and down. I mean, it's holding the area sometimes. I just need to see it actually play through. Because it's only been 4 minutes into the open to begin with. That's TP1. Come on. Oh, almost TP1. God damn, this shit too fucking fast. TP1. Oh yeah, that's TP1 though. They was looking for you, Bells. You gotta. This shit's stupid. Oh my God. Yeah, this trade is moving. Oh yeah, we moving. And we about to have 80 people on the live. There's a new record on the Monday. Oh yeah, I'm about to get my TP2. Screenshot that, Joan. Now, hopefully, let me hit TP2 with 80 people. Look at that, 80 people. New record, hit TP2. There we go. Come on, 30, you right there. You playing around, you tickling TP. Come on, stop tickling. Stop tickling and just, just go for it. Just go for it. There we go. Yeah, I'll close TP there. Oh, why it start moving so much? Maybe I should have waited. All right, never mind. Fuck, it's closed. It is closed. It's closed. TP2, if you didn't take partials or break even, do something, this is your fucking time. Whatever happens from here is not up to me. Look at that. Sorry. If you weren't on the train, you missed it. My boy over here chilling. I wouldn't even peep. Look at him over here. My boy in Longs. That's what I like to see. I told y'all that I didn't know at the time that this TP was really gonna be that precise, but not dead ass. If you didn't take profit there, that shit's going back up. It's kind of crazy work. And that had nothing. There was no reason for me to get out there besides the fact that I was just 1 to 2. Like there was no reason within price action. It was just 1 to 2. So it literally that was just, hey, it was meant to be. It was meant to be. But I'm about to be a ball here, dog. I don't know what but I was gonna put up a W and I put up a 4. But it was a great day. Great day with VIP. Let me turn this off over there. But as of right now, I'm done. I'm done over here. It's time to get the rest of the day started. The trade was a banger. Like this is one of those trades where it played out perfectly. I simply took one trade. I only had one trade idea, the shorts at the daily and the 4-hour gap. And that shit, it went crazy. Like you've seen the result. And as of right now, it's still going slow. It's not going too crazy right now. I hopped off VIP and everything, but look at this. This was a screenshot that I sent for the entry. Hold on. This is what I sent for the entry. Boom. And then this was the exit like that. You can see when the TP got hit, and then you can see the reaction that it had all the way back up. It's just crazy, but another great day at work. I'm just happy to be doing what I love on a daily basis. Money's going to be made. Simple as that. But now it's time to get the rest of the day started. But we're done with everything when it comes to trading. I'm about to get ready because, as you guys know, I think it was either in the vlog yesterday or the day before, I was trying to get it scheduled because I was trying to get some tires for my car. But the thing with my tires, they never have multiple anywhere. But I think I got a place that might have all four. So I'm about to try to get all four of my tires changed. Something that's been desperately needing to be done. And I know I specifically only really need one tire, but I'm just like, I might as well get them all done together. I also got to get an alignment too, but I'm not going to get the alignment today. Get all the tires out the way first, and then I'm probably going to go out, do stuff the rest of the day. Maybe do a few things. I kind of want to go to Topgolf low key, maybe Dave & Buster's, something. I want to enjoy the day because it's actually warm out. For the people that aren't in Florida, it was cold the last couple days, like 50s, 60s, and now we're back damn near going to the 80s again, so I'm trying to take advantage of it. So without all the yapping, I'm gonna see you guys when I get up out of this crib, probably in the car or something. Okay, everybody, and right now we are live from the balcony, and I just want to bring you guys a little bit of a rundown of everything, just explain the whole process on how I'm even here on a daily basis to be even continuing to show you guys these $1,000 trades. And yes, there may be a little wind. I'm honestly contemplating whether I should be out here or not, but I'm gonna make this portion of the video nice and short. But I just want you guys to appreciate the raw reality of something just as simple as having the wind in the videos, because it is windy and I am out here right now, nonetheless getting this content because my girlfriend is inside with the dogs. But with that being said, how did I get to this position of being able to even make $2,000 in a day trading? I say this all the time, the same systems that I was using 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, in terms of the ways I'm getting into the market, the ways I'm getting out of the market, the same things I was using when I was live streaming on YouTube every single day for 200 days, when I was literally live trading for free every day on YouTube. The same systems for the most part that I was using, runs old highs to lows, trading into gaps, trading into fibs at the right time. I've been using that main system for a long time. But the main thing that's changed, that's allowed me to get to the success where I am now, is that learning about myself, the discipline aspect, the psychology aspect, understanding that I don't need to take a trade every day. When it comes to me personally, because I can't speak on anybody besides myself, one of the main things that I struggle with as a trader and struggled with as a trader in the past is the feeling of losing, that feeling of failure, feeling like I'm not good enough, feeling like I'm not going to accomplish the goals that I have in mind. That sense of loss doesn't sit right with me. So with that said, when I take one loss, when I'm in a losing streak, when I'm in these environments where I don't feel good, where the market isn't making me feel like I'm worthy of making money, worthy of seeing success, worthy of passing an account, getting a payout, getting a withdrawal, whatever I'm contemplating in my head trying to do, the losses make me feel like I'm not worthy of it. And that's one thing that I struggled with a lot. And then with that being said, again, how I feel then leads me to do dumb shit. It leads me to self-sabotage myself. It leads me to take trades I shouldn't. It leads me to risk more than I should, even though I know I shouldn't be doing that. It's easier said than done. Trust me, like I said, I've been trading the same way for 2.5 years, but I wasn't at the level I am now 2 years ago. I wasn't. In terms of mindset, in terms of discipline, in terms of understanding myself, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, my strengths and weaknesses, what makes me the best version of myself, what environments I work best in, what makes me feel the most productive. I've learned so much in the last 2 years. And trust me, a lot of it's even documented on YouTube. A lot of it's documented in the Telegram groups, the private inner circle. VIP's been around for a year. We're coming up on a fucking year in VIP. We just hit 300. We're about to hit 350 people in VIP. It's crazy. And the one thing I want you guys to understand, because people always say, are these vlogs like a commercial for VIP? In a way, they are. But I'm also giving you guys free value every single day. You get what I'm saying? That's my advertisement for myself and my brand. But I want you guys to also keep this in mind. If I didn't know how to trade, why would people continue to stay in live trading? That's just some food for thought. I'm not going to talk much on it, but that's some food for thought. In terms of funding, if you want to get to the level to be able to make $1,000, $2,000 in a day, don't overcomplicate it. Don't try to turn $10 into $100. Don't try to turn $1,000 into $1 million. Be realistic. I only go from 1 to 2s. As you guys seen earlier, I only went for 1 to 2. If I were to go to the market right now and look to see what my trade overall did, what it would have went to in total, I got out at TP2. This went past TP3 all the way down to, if I look at it correctly, it looks like maybe TP6. It went down to TP7. Look at that. That line all the way down there, that's TP7, and that's gonna be where it's at going into the next probably 20, 30 minutes. But with that being said, why am I saying that? Why does that matter? Because you gotta understand, one, enough is enough. Be okay with taking some away, because I've been in so many situations trading where I've had a good trade. I've had a trade that's break even. I've had a trade that looks good, that felt good, that made sense, and it went against me because I was aiming for too much. And it went all the way back to break even because I was aiming for a unrealistic profit goal when I was already up. Hey, do you make $2,000 a day at your job? Do you make $2,000 a day, a week at your job? Do you make $2,000 a month at your job? These are questions you got to ask yourself, because when you're trading, you get desensitized to the money aspect. You get desensitized to all the things in terms of money and numbers. It just all starts to look the same at some point. Anybody that's traded a certain amount of time will understand that. Once you get to a certain level, it's just money, it's just numbers. So with that being said, you don't value it the same way anymore. And that has its pros and cons, don't get me wrong, but you also got to be aware of it, because if you're not aware of it, that is something that will definitely cook you. But with that being said, like I said, I don't want to keep the yapping too much on the balcony. I'm going to take you guys into the charts just to give you a brief breakdown on the trade, because like I got to tell everybody, I give value every single day in VIP, but I got to give value to you guys also, because without you guys, you're part of my day, just like anything else. I love doing this. Like I told you guys a couple minutes ago, what makes me the best version of myself, what makes me feel the most productive, doing things such as this. And doing this makes me feel like the best version of myself. So let me get some value to you guys and watch and stay to the end, because you're going to get some game. But before we get into the charts, I just want you guys to understand, keep it simple. I don't have a complicated trading system. For everybody that knows the free trading course, for everybody that knows my in-depth concepts, my in-depth system from the trading course, like I just said, I don't have anything complicated. I simply understand that this is a probability game. That trade ideas could have 50,000 reasons why it should play out, and it won't play out. You got to understand that. It's a probability game. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. The best traders, the most successful traders understand that it's a probability game. And I'll even tell you guys, one of the things that you could do to stretch your probability mindset, play games such as chess. Everything happens for a reason. Play chess. If you don't understand why, just try it. Also, another thing, try out blackjack. Not saying risk your real money in blackjack, but play like the game blackjack. You don't got to risk your real money. Do fake money, demo money, it's the same thing. But understand that it's a probability game. You can't control the hand you're dealt, but you can control what you do with the hand you're dealt. Okay, so now with that being said, we're inside of the computer, so you can see the trade right here. This is the trade from earlier this morning. This is the trade idea that I'm going to be going over with you guys. And like I said, keep it simple. This is what we're going to be reverse engineering. So if you want to take a before and after picture, this would be the time. But I'm going to be getting rid of all of this real quick, slowly. And I'm just going to give you guys a little breakdown. So essentially the same thing I'm about to do right here is the same thing that I do with VIP every single weekend when we do our review of every single day. But in this case, I'm not going to do it as in depth. I'm just going to keep it very simple. But I'm going to just mark up the previous day's high, the previous day's low. Why do I mark up the previous day's high and low? Because if simply just keeping it simple, if you want to know if today's likely to be bullish or bearish, look at the last 2 days, look at the last 3 days. It's a probability game. Just because yesterday was bearish doesn't mean today's going to be bearish, but the likelihood of it being a bearish day versus a bullish day, if the last 2-3 days have also been bearish days, is more likely. And that's all I'm in the game of playing. I'm in the game of playing what is the highest % chance of this trade idea happening. So with that being said, if we stick with the fact that we ideally want to see shorts because we're overall bearish from the previous day, then that's something that we're going to keep in mind. So boom, that is one reason why we were looking for shorts this morning, because I already seen that the previous days were also bearish. So with that being said, considering we were very low, way closer to the previous day's low at 9 o'clock, and when was 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock was right over here. Let me make this line just like this. This is when 9 a.m. was. This line right here. And why is 9 a.m. important? Because that's the time I trade. So when I got to the charts, we were around here. So you tell me, based off of your experience, do you think this line is closer to the previous day's low or the previous day's high? The previous day's low, a lot of you may say, it's just, that's a simple thing. It's way closer to this low than this high. And if I'm looking for price to reach towards liquidity, considering the days before were bearish,
wouldn't you expect price to likely try to reach for that previous day's low? Yes. So that's exactly why I had that previous day's low as a target, and that's exactly why I wanted to see price reach for that low. Now, with that being said, what led me to get my entry? The main thing that I look for when it comes to entries, I'm either looking for a false break move or I'm looking for a fair value gap move. Meaning I'm either looking for price to run above the old higher low, maybe some other confirmations, or I'm looking for price to trade into a fair value gap, maybe some other confirmations. In this case, the trade that I took was based off of a 4-hour fair value gap. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, and if we just simply look right to the left, look at where price closed on this 4-hour gap. If I go back to the hour, look at that wick. This is where the 4-hour gap got closed at. At 9 o'clock, it was really 9:30. Price came into this gap, which was the 4-hour gap. If we go to the daily time frame, I get rid of all the confirmations. Look at this gap in here. Do you see this fair value gap? Do you see how price just traded right into it, filled this gap, and then continued to fall? What if I told you that this gap was created and traded into at this time right here? That's exactly why I took my trade. Now let's take it a step further. So we had the shorts. We knew why we wanted to see shorts. We also had the 4-hour and the daily fair value gap, which led us to want to also see a short from this area specifically. That's why I wanted to see a short from this area specifically. But let's take it a step further. Let's pull a fib from that previous high to the low before we got this retracement, and let's see if we also have any other confirmations in terms of having our fib, because like I said, this is a probability game. I like to have multiple reasons for why price could play out. It looks like it hit the 38.20%. Did it hit the 50? It came close to the 50, but it didn't hit the 50. It hit the 38.20%, which is what? The continuation on the fib. So boom, we had a fib short also. So we had all these confirmations for why price could potentially have this trade. So what did I do? Once price traded into that 4-hour gap at 9:30, which is my time to trade, with my trade idea, which was either a false break or a fair value gap fill. It was a fair value gap fill, following the trend. And you know what I was looking for? I wanted to. And that's exactly what we got this morning. And I did it live, as you guys seen. Like, this is what my thought process was earlier in the video if I didn't like go in depth. But like I said, I don't want to keep it too complicated. This trade idea that was a 1 to 2 kept all the way going and would have been a 1 to 6 as of right now. 1 to 7 would have been basically where it's at, coming up on, but it was more than enough with that being said. But yeah, it's a good game right there.
All right, so right now I'm editing the vlog that you guys are currently watching. Also got a couple of reels and stuff uploaded in terms of stories, but I also wanted to show you guys that I don't want to show the emails, but I did just give away 7 different funded accounts to VIP members. As you can see, I got them some free challenges depending on what account size they wanted. I asked people, but like I said, I picked 7 people and I got them right. The thing that you guys don't understand is I'm actually here for the community. I'm here for the people, and I understand that not everybody is always in the financial situation to be able to chase their dreams to the extent that they want to. Trust me, I understand. I've been in the situation where you know how to trade, where you want to change your life. You just don't have the right resources required to take the leap. You don't have the right capital. You don't have the right funding to be able to make your dreams, to make this skill a reality, to make money from it. Trust me, focus on the skill set. If you're part of this team, I'm going to take care of you. If you weren't able to get that funded account, trust me, this is the second time I gave away accounts probably in the last month or 2. It's not going to be the last time. But with that being said, I just want that to say, I'm here for you guys. And even if it's not in VIP, through YouTube, through Instagram, I'm here for you guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, join the Instagram lives, join the VIP lives, join the YouTube comments. I'm here. Just ask the questions, DM me. I'm going to try my best to change your life. Because trust me, if I could change my life, there's no reason I can't help you change yours. So with that being said, I hope you found this video informative. It's just another great day. I'm about to go to watch a movie. I'm about to watch Wicked, which is, I think, like The Wizard of Oz, like before The Wizard of Oz. But yeah, we're about to go see that in theaters. The movie's at 9:30 at night, so that's why I got to get this video up and uploaded, because even though I want to go do something like that, which is a 3-hour movie, I got to get the work done first. So let that be a statement to get the job done. Always. But if you guys want to learn how to trade, the trading concepts and systems to take trades just like the one you saw in the video, the free trading course, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you soon.